Phải thua miên nữa mà sang ngon là từ lúc ông đi thuốc sẽ kiếm.
We have to cull within this infected zone. There is 1 kilometer radius. So for that, we have already formed the repeat response team, consisting of the 1 veterinary doctors and the para-veterinary consisting of 5 members, and including the 1 member from this revenue department. Actually, it was reported on the 18th evening. Actually, the sample was sent by the ICR. So they have sent the sample to the Bhopal, National Institute of Disease Highly Center. So they have confirmed them.
The size scale 1 kilometer scale set 1 kilometer.
Actually, we have already informed yesterday not to enter anybody in the poultry house, because it is very highly contagious to the human being.